Hi, if you're watching this video, you've probably been searching endlessly trying to find an industrial building. My name's Mark Schwabens. I work at Property Resources of Raleigh, and all we do is sell buildings. Some years I have sold more buildings in Greensboro than I have in Raleigh, but regardless, we work from the Greensboro market all the way to the Raleigh market, and the most important fact is this is a tight industrial market. Tight meaning there's not a great deal of supply. It's very frustrating for a lot of people, but if you're looking for a building, whether you want to lease it, buy it, you want to buy it as an investment, you need to understand there's not much supply and there's plenty of people after the supply. Whether they're looking to lease or to buy, there is a lot of consumers for industrial space right now. Far more consumers than there is product. So you need to get prepared. First thing you really need to take a look at, what broker are you working with? Are you working with a broker that only sells industrial properties, or a broker that's focused on property sales? Or like so many of the clients that come see us, they've been working with somebody that really does more leasing than sales, and they can't figure out why things aren't going well. At our firm, the only thing we do is sell buildings. We help buyers, we help sellers, we help investors, and we help occupants. All right, as you get into the marketplace, one of the things you're going to want to have is source of funds. The seller might be entertaining multiple offers. You've got to be able to explain to the seller that you have the money to buy the asset. A source of funds letter is a very powerful item in a competitive bidding situation. All right, you got to pay attention to this fact. If you see something for lease, we can maybe buy it. If you see something that's only for sale and you want to lease it, we probably can get an investor to buy the building and help you move into it. We can facilitate any type of transaction that makes sense. We have access to lots of capital. We have access to lots of properties. So remember, if it's for lease, it maybe can be bought. If it's for sale, it maybe could be leased. All right, timing. This is critical. We're in a tight market. When a transaction, a property becomes available, you've got to be ready to pounce. You got to be ready to go really fast because this is super competitive. An industrial property correctly priced hits the market, there's probably 5 buyers for that asset in the first day. All right, location. Here's another place you're going to have to try to be flexible. Start with a dot on the map, but consider how far you'd go, east, west, north, and south, and still be willing to occupy or acquire a building in that location. If you have further questions, do yourself a big favor, pick up the phone, give me a call, let's see if we can be of assistance. Thank you.